Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you how I make miniature plants in 3 minutes. So first, I cut basswood into size and glue everything together into a rectangular plant pot. Once it's done, I apply wall putty all over to give it some texture. You can also use bottle caps as plant pot, which I have a separate tutorial for that, so check out the links below. Okay, this is one of my favorite tricks. I save my used coffee bags, dry them out under the sun, and boom! Free unlimited soil for all your miniature projects. Just press some clay into the bottom of the pot, brush wood glue on top, and sprinkle the coffee grounds over the surface. For leaves, I mix the clay with green and yellow. Just roll it until the color looks even. Then I take out a small amount of clay, use a tweezer, hobby knife, and ball tip sculpting tool to shape each leaf. Press it down, roll the edge, carve out the veins. You wouldn't believe it, but I made nearly 300 leaves for this one single plant pot, because when it looks this full and blossom, you'll understand why it's worth the time. For the flower petals, I just mix a little rat into the clay and shape them the same way. Once everything is ready, I cut some paper wire to size, bend them slightly so they look like more natural stems, and poke them into the soil. Then I glue each leaf and petal onto the stems one by one. And finally, I go over everything with acrylic paint for one more layer of color. I also love adding a little light brown or yellow on the edge of some leaves, because that small touch makes the whole plant feel so much more alive, vibrant, and realistic. Honestly, adding plants to any dollhouse or miniature scene is just like the icing on the cake. It instantly makes everything feel warmer and more natural. And I made a second leaf style in this video too. Now, one thing a lot of people struggle with when using a dry clay is that it dries out way too fast. So what I do is keep my clay stored in a Ziploc bag with a tiny hole cut at the corner. That way I can squeeze out just the right amount as I work, and the rest stays moist inside the bag. If it is still drying out on you, just add a few drops of water into the bag. That usually does the trick. Next up is episode 3 of my Kiki's Delivery Service Bakery project, so stay tuned for that. See you in the next one!